Welcome to God's own country, Kerala. From serene backwaters and misty hill stations to pristine beaches and exotic wildlife, Kerala is a paradise for travelers. In this video, we'll take you through the must-visit destinations in Kerala, covering breathtaking locations, hidden gems, and travel tips to make your journey unforgettable. Let's dive in. Kochi, the Queen of the Arabian Sea. Our journey begins in Kochi, a city that perfectly blends history, culture, and modernity. Walk through the charming streets of Fort Kochi, where colonial-era buildings, street art, and cozy cafes create an old-world charm. Visit the iconic Chinese fishing nets and explore the Madancherry Palace, also known as the Dutch Palace, to learn about Kerala's royal heritage. Don't forget to catch a traditional Kathakali dance performance in the evening. Munnar, the Emerald Tea Gardens. Next, we head to Munnar, one of India's most beautiful hill stations. With its sprawling tea plantations, cool climate, and stunning viewpoints, Munnar is a dream destination for nature lovers. Visit the Tata Tea Museum to learn about tea production, take a scenic drive to Echo Point, and enjoy a boat ride at Kandala Lake. For adventure seekers, trekking to the top station for panoramic views is a must. Alleppey, the Venice of the East. No trip to Kerala is complete without experiencing the famous backwaters of Alleppey. Rent a houseboat and cruise through the serene waterways surrounded by coconut palms and paddy fields. Enjoy authentic Kerala cuisine on board and witness a mesmerizing sunset over the backwaters. If you're visiting in August, don't miss the thrilling Nehru Trophy boat race. Thekkady, land of wildlife and spice plantations. For wildlife enthusiasts, Thekkady is the perfect destination. The Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary offers thrilling boat safaris where you can spot elephants, bison, and exotic birds. Take a guided tour through spice plantations and learn about Kerala's famous spices like cardamom, pepper, and cinnamon. If you're up for adventure, try bamboo rafting in the Periyar Lake. Wayanad, the hidden gem of Kerala. Wayanad is an offbeat paradise in Kerala, offering a mix of nature, history, and adventure. Explore the ancient Edakal caves, which have prehistoric carvings dating back thousands of years. Trek through the lush western Ghats to reach Meenmutti and Suchapara waterfalls, and visit Banasura Sagar Dam for breathtaking views. If you love camping and wildlife, Wayanad's forests are perfect for an overnight adventure. Kovalam, the ultimate beach destination. Looking for sun, sand, and sea? Kovalam is Kerala's most famous beach destination. Relax on the golden sands of Lighthouse Beach, indulge in water sports like surfing and parasailing, and enjoy fresh seafood at beachfront shacks. Kovalam is also known for its Ayurvedic retreats, the perfect place to unwind and rejuvenate. Varkala, the cliffside beach town. Varkala Beach, cliffside cafes, and spiritual seekers at the Janardanaswamy Temple. Varkala offers a unique beach experience with its stunning cliffs overlooking the Arabian Sea. Take a dip in the natural springs of Papanasam Beach, known for its healing properties, and explore the spiritual vibes of Janardanaswamy Temple. The cliffside cafes in Varkala serve delicious seafood with a mesmerizing sunset view, a must-visit for any traveler. Kumarakam, a bird watcher's paradise. Migratory birds, houseboats, and Vembanad Lake. Nature lovers will find bliss in Kumarakam, a serene village on the banks of Vembanad Lake. Visit the Kumarakam Bird Sanctuary to spot migratory birds like Siberian cranes and kingfishers. Enjoy a peaceful backwater cruise and experience traditional Kerala village life. If you're looking for a quiet getaway, Kumarakam is the place to be. Athirapally Waterfalls, the Niagara of India. Majestic waterfalls, lush rainforests, and wildlife sightings. Athirapally Waterfalls, often called the Niagara of India, is one of Kerala's most spectacular natural wonders. The 80-foot-high waterfall, set amidst dense forests, offers a breathtaking sight, especially during the monsoon. Trek down to the base for an up-close view, and don't be surprised if you spot wildlife like elephants and hornbills along the way. Poovar, where backwaters meet the sea. Our final stop is Poovar, a hidden gem where the backwaters meet the Arabian Sea. This tranquil coastal village is perfect for a relaxing getaway. Take a boat ride through mangrove forests, Visit the Golden Sand Beach, and stay in a floating cottage for a truly unique experience. Kerala is a land of endless beauty, rich culture, and unforgettable experiences. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or spirituality, this paradise has something for everyone. So, which of these places are on your bucket list? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more travel guides. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next adventure.